Ladies and gentlemen, what you're about to witness is no illusion, no. So, let's all say a warm welcome to the one and only 97 Gremlin. No, Ben, just shut up. If any of you don't already know me, my name's Ben, 97 Gremlin. Who could have guessed, you know? It says it down below, it says it right here, here, you know. So just get on with the video. So anyway guys, I hope you accepted my apology. If you haven't seen that video, make sure you go and click back and watch that. And then after that, just come back and join us. You just get back in time. You know, time traveling, because that's normal, isn't it guys? Anyway guys, I want to sort of talk to you a little bit about a video that before, you know, I went away on that little journey here to imagination. I spoke to you guys about a scottoiler. If some of you that don't know, let me catch you up a little bit. Okay guys, so I had a scottoiler on my bike. What a scottoiler does, it's sort of like a self lubricating for the chain. Every now and again it just, whatever you decide to set it up at. Sorry, I was just concentrating on this BMW. Come on love, I'll let you out, come on, I ain't got all day though, come on. Ah, you're 360 in. Oh wow, I didn't. Oh wow, I wish I never let her out now. And that just messed me right up. Come on, I was on a roll there, and I feel sorry for all the cars behind, because if that was me and I was in my car and I let her out and done that, I would have been fuming. It's just only because I'm in a good mood today. There's nice weather, it's nice and warm out, and yeah, it's just pretty much, just leave it as that. I'm in a good mood, so I'm happy to do things like that. But anyway guys, so a scottoiler is a sort of self lubricating machinery. And machinery, or yeah, let's just keep it as that. A device. It's a self-lubricating device. Probably still not the right word to use, but I'm going to use it. But so every now and again, whatever you set it up to, you can set it up to so it drips out, you know, a hell of a lot every second, or just a little bit every now and again, which just keeps your chain not all nice and lubricated, and just doesn't keep it dry. You know, it just helps it out a lot. So let's just do this quickly. Let's just go round like this, round like this. There you go. Probably the wrong way to do it, but I saw that car indicating. I didn't want to mess him up there at all, which I probably did anyway. But it doesn't bother me. It doesn't bother me one little bit. Let's just stay behind this car now anyway. Just stay behind here. But I was talking about that. I said I didn't know if it was any good, if you guys recommended, or would you just avoid it and just obviously just do your chain yourself like a normal person. So I've decided, I've come to the conclusion now, doing a little bit of research now. Yes, they are good. Yes, they are good if you're going to be, I say, commuting, if you're going to be using your bike all the time. When it comes to the summer, yes, I probably will. But the time I probably do use it, I probably might as well just do the chain myself. Not only that, the presentation, because I didn't do the scottoiler. When I brought this bike, it was already on here. I didn't have no idea what the hell this scottoiler was. I was like, who's scottoiler? Oliver. I was like, it's got Oliver, you know. But when I realised what it is, what it does, and I thought, oh, this is interesting. And it was empty, so I thought, you know what, I'm going to buy some, put it in there and everything. The only downside of it, I find, it sprays up everywhere. As soon as it hits the chain, it sort of flicks it all up. You get all under your seat and that, it's all a bit horrible. But not only that, the presentation, how they set it up, how they mounted it, didn't look nice to me. Just really didn't look. It looked unappealing. I don't think I got some photos. If I can find a photo of it when it was on, how it was not bulky, but just how unpleasing it looks, I'll show you guys. But I'll take it off and I'll show you on screen now anyway of what it looks like without, and it's just a nice clean sort of underfairing. I think that's what you would call it. But it's nice and clean now, and it just looks more presentable. Because when I was taking photos, and I was looking at it, I think, oh, I really don't like this. And you could probably go on my Instagram, zoom in, and you probably could see it. If I got a low shot of the bike, sort of from the back end, you probably could see the scottoiler. And I just did not like it one little bit. So that's me. I'm glad I've taken it off. Just telling you a little bit of my journey of what I've been doing to the bike. So I'll just say goodbye to the scottoiler. And it might not be it might not be forever, but I've really neatly taken it off, so if I really want to do it or sell it, I can, but I think I'll keep it for the time being. I'm one of them people who like to keep stuff, so I'll remove anything, I'll do that, and I think, oh, this is junk now, but to me, I think, you know what, might be many years to come when I actually need that. And I don't have to re-buy it again, or pay a fortune to re-buy it again, I should say. So I do like to keep stuff a lot. So that's a little bit about me. I like to keep something like a, I think it's a hauler, I think it is, or I can't think what it's called. You guys leave a comment down below what it's called. I don't know what in my head. Come on, Ben, stop rambling on. This is where I'm going to get frustrated and I'm going to get my words mixed up here. But I know what it is in my head, I just can't pronounce it. I can't get it out. I can't get it on my tongue and bounce it off and everything. So I've been wearing in my tyres now. I've got Pilot Road, or Road Pilots 5s, which are absolutely amazing, guys. I will do a review on this soon, so make sure you stay tuned on that. Anyway, guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the like button and turn on the notifications. Leave a comment down below on how I can improve my videos. Anyway, guys, just ride safe, stay humble, and just stay true to yourself. Anyway, guys, see you next video.